able to move around. We went to Spain 2 years ago in the summer for 3 weeks, and we enjoyed it a lot. 3 weeks, absolutely wonderful. So that's the Cathedral of Florence. That's one of the few spots from where you can see the 3 buildings. So the cathedral itself with the dome is one building, and it's the one that was built in 150 years, from 1296 to 1436, when the big dome was finished. And that's the Cathedral of Florence, which means that this is the seat of the bishop, so the most important church of the city. In front of the cathedral there is the baptistry. This building has an octagonal shape, and this was used to baptize children. And it's older than the cathedral. It was founded in 1100, and it was all decorated with these beautiful blades of white and dark green marble, so throughout the 1200. And next to the cathedral there is the bell tower, which is called Giotto's bell tower, because Giotto was the first architect who started it, and then it was finished by another architect called Francesco Talenzi. So these 3 buildings compose the Duomo complex, the religious center of Florence. And they are all decorated with marbles. So the colors that you see, they all belong to the marbles. They are not painted. The cathedral is dedicated to the Virgin Mary. So it's called Santa Maria del Fiore, the name of the cathedral. And it's mainly famous for this big dome, which was designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, the architect that you saw in the Accademia, who made, still today, it's the biggest dome of the world, made in bricks, the biggest. He managed to build the dome without scaffolding on the ground. So the scaffolding system was attached to the drum of the dome. So it was based not on the ground, but it was based attached on the base of the dome.